Ever walked out your door, realized you forgot your key, and wondered, how do I lock this TEEHO door lock from outside? You're not alone. Many TEEHO door lock users face this common question. In today's video, we're going to dive into the super simple steps to secure your TEEHO electronic deadbolt from the exterior, even if you don't have your key on hand. We'll cover the most common TEEHO models and ensure you never leave your home unlocked again. Let's get started. The great news is that TEEHO door locks are designed for convenience, and locking them from the outside is usually a breeze. Most TEEHO electronic deadbolts offer a couple of straightforward methods. Method 1. The one-touch lock, most common. This is the fastest and most popular way to lock your TEEHO smart lock. It's perfect when you're rushing out the door. Close the door. First, make sure your door is fully closed and the deadbolt latch is aligned with the strike plate on the door frame. Locate the lock button. On the TEEHO keypad, you'll typically find a dedicated lock button. This is often a symbol like a padlock, or sometimes a specific number key used for locking. For many TEEHO door lock models, this is the dianbais, pound button. Press and hold, or press once. Depending on your specific TEEHO model, you'll either press the lock button once or press and hold it for a couple of seconds. You'll hear a beep and see the deadbolt extend, confirming it's locked. Verify. Always give the door a gentle pull to ensure the TEEHO door lock is securely engaged. This quick check takes seconds and gives you peace of mind. Method 2. Using your user code. If one touch isn't available or preferred. If your TEEHO electronic deadbolt doesn't have a dedicated one-touch lock button, or if you prefer using your code for added assurance, here's how. Close the door. Again, ensure the door is completely closed. Enter your user code. Simply type in any valid 4 to 6 digit user code that you've programmed into your TEEHO door lock. Press the lock button, or enter. After entering your code, press the lock button, often as stated, or the enter button if your model has one. The TEEHO smart lock will then engage, extending the deadbolt. Special tips FAQs. Here are a few extra tips for your TEEHO door lock to make sure you have a smooth experience. Battery check. If your TEEHO lock isn't responding, always check the batteries first. Low batteries are the most common culprit for electronic lock issues. Your TEEHO electronic deadbolt will usually give you a low battery warning. Door alignment. Ensure your door and frame are properly aligned. If the door sags or the strike plate is misaligned, the deadbolt might not extend fully, preventing the TEEHO door lock from securing properly. Refer to your manual. While these methods cover most TEEHO smart lock models, always keep your specific TEEHO door lock manual handy for model-specific instructions or advanced features. Automatic locking. Many TEEHO door lock models have an auto lock feature. If you enable this, your lock will automatically secure itself after a set period, e.g. 30 seconds after being unlocked. This is a fantastic security feature to remember. And there you have it. Locking your TEEHO door lock from the outside is incredibly simple once you know these methods. Whether it's the quick one-touch lock or using your secure user code, your TEEHO electronic deadbolt is designed to keep your home safe and sound. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more smart home tips and electronic lock tutorials. Got a question about your TEEHO door lock or another smart device? Leave your questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.